Welcome CNG 132 to Monday. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Great discussions on SQL injections, cross-site injections, XML injections. Very, very good topic. And it is key that you understand, even though that you're not in or may not be in database security or a database class, a web class, a programming class. It's good to understand the concepts of how to apply security to, I would say, next level, or what would be next level? If you think about your first level of security, it's going to be network security. Your second level of security is going to be maybe server security, server and host, I should say. It's important to say, okay, what kind of data am I going to take in as a good argument? I forget who pointed out that good coding is making sure that you only get you can only put in good data before you get the data you want. I guess that's the sum of that one. Let's see, for week 6, we dive into project 6. Let's see what the reading is. Network security. Is it just devices? Network security devices, and we'll be talking about network intrusion systems, intrusion detection systems, different secure network architecture. Explain on network. So IDS, intrusion prevention systems, is what we got to take away the most from this chapter 6. So what I kind of wanted to get to was the week 6 discussions. This weekend, I should say, I saw an email come in for Netgear that was offering. It was a decent money off for home system like Nest. I thought, you know what, that looks really, really cool, but is that for me? Is that the best choice for me? And of course, me always being skeptical and paranoid about network security, I was like, well, maybe I should do some research and see what exactly the threats that are exposed to this. So if I did bring one of these into my house, Alexa, Siri, a smart door locks, a security camera, I'm creating more vulnerabilities to my home than maybe I have intended. When I look here at the Security Boulevard, and this is something I just searched up real quick, I think I used the parameters. IoT security, so Internet of Things security for homes, and basically, this does kind of sum up what I was talking about. That may be coming to this new light, that I'm actually creating more of a vulnerability of my home than I want to intend. I know a lot of companies are starting to offer things in home. I saw that Facebook just started offering that Track Me. I forget what the device is, but it tracks you as you move throughout the house. Maybe I can pull that up too. I don't see it right away. So this one's USA Today, the Facebook, tracking your face. Not so much in home, but I mean, it very possibly could be if you have something with a camera. So that's that one. Photo identification. So when you go start to use devices in your home, you're creating weaknesses that maybe the company of the security cameras, let's take the security cameras for instance. We look at IP cameras, Blink XT Home Security, what kind of security are they offering on this device? Obviously we can see that is I thought it was a wireless device, but how is it being protected? Yeah, IP cameras over Wi-Fi, but how is it securing that data that's being transferred back to your home? How is it relaying back to your home system? In the article, they also mentioning creating a different VLAN for IoT devices, which is a really good idea. If you had a firewall or a switch that was capable of VLANs, you could definitely start to create virtual LANs for each device uniquely. So if one device was compromised, say that your VLAN only operated, or your VLAN was there to say that it was only able to connect to the internet and not talk to anything else, then you'd be relatively safe for that device communicating to the internet and nothing else around you. If you had everything on your one network, like an umbrella network, then if one device was compromised, that could lead to compromising of other devices within your network. So good little takeaway, and that leads us to the discussion for this week. What are your thoughts on home devices, home IoT devices, whether they be, let's see, a camera, an assistant, a smart TV, what else do we have? Nest thermostat, there's smart refrigerators now. What are your thoughts on a home device, and are there any security risks that go along with the device? So search out, find a device you like, do a small report on it, not real long, looking for at least a paragraph or two, but do a report on your device, a device that interests you, that you might have in your home. That's probably the best way to present this. Or device you want, do some little research on it, and then add that to the discussion for this week. So we'll just change it up just a little bit. Make sure not to do case projects. If you do a case project, I'll probably take it down and send you a resubmission notice. Yeah, no one's got it today yet. But make sure you just do that initial post by Wednesday. Find a device you like or you're looking into. Do some research on it. See if there's any concerns with it. And then if there is security concerns, identify how you'd solve that. Have a good Monday.